Can I prevent my phone from being cloned?
Hello there. Are you worried about the security of your mobile phone? With the rise in technology use, phone cloning is becoming a prevalent concern for many users. In this video, we will discuss some essential tips to prevent your phone from being cloned.
What is phone cloning?
Phone cloning is a technique where criminal hackers copy the identity of one mobile telephone to another. This is usually done to make fraudulent calls or steal personal information. The danger is that you, as the phone's owner, would get billed for the calls, or worse, have your data privacy breached.
How can I prevent my phone from being cloned?
Prevention is better than cure. So, let's dive into the steps to safeguard your phone. 1. Keep your phone with you. This might seem obvious, but your phone can't be cloned if it doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Always keep your device in a secure location. 2. Use strong passwords. Always set up complex passwords or PINs on your device. Enable biometric security measures if your phone supports it. 3. Regular software updates. Keep your device updated with the latest software. These updates often contain security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit. 4. Avoid unknown networks. Be wary of connecting to public Wi-Fi networks as they can sometimes be used to clone phones. 5. Install security apps. There are many mobile security apps available that can help protect against unauthorized access to your device.
What if I suspect my phone has been cloned?
If you notice suspicious activity like unexpected bills or unusual data usage, your phone may have been cloned. Here's what you can do. 1. Contact your service provider. The first step is to get in touch with your mobile service provider. They can verify whether your phone has been cloned and take necessary action. 2. Change all passwords. If you suspect that your phone has been cloned, change all passwords on your device. This includes email, social media, and banking apps. 3. Factory reset. If necessary, perform a factory reset on your phone. Make sure to back up important data first. In today's interconnected world, securing our devices has become increasingly crucial. While the risk of phone cloning may seem daunting, taking these preventative measures can significantly lower your chances of falling victim. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Keep your phone secure, your data private, and stay safe out there.